guys, so we are here at our hotel in Key West. We're about to leave, actually.
Bye.
Well, not yet, Sebastian. It's Gio and Sebastian, and we got a package from our friends from Nickelodeon. Woo! Let's see what it says. Whoa! What do we got? What is that? Ooh, Paw Patrol, the pop-up game. Very cool. What is this? It is a dreidel game. A traditional Jewish game played with smaller, larger groups. Hey, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys. We got Pup Save Christmas from Paw Patrol. We got the complete series of Avatar. SpongeBob the musical. Ooh, Mommy's favorite. Mommy grew up with this. Rocco's Modern Life. Ooh, JoJo Siwa, the Dance Dice game. We got some painting stuff. Oh, man. Huh? Yeah?
We have card game. You have to match the cards.
Oh, my goodness. Ooh, we got a little hat here. Very cool. What else did we get? What's in this one? What's in there, Gio? Open it. Oh man, this one's hard. Let's see.
Everyone, untaping your tape and we're gonna see what's inside.
Yeah.
You guys are excited? Hey, open it up.
I can't get it. Struggle is real.
Open it.
Ah!
Too strong.
Hang on, you guys grab the camera. Mommy will try it. Oh, Dad's coming to the rescue. Here we go.
Just open it up. What?
There we go.
That's it.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, that was kind of hard.
Oh.
Open it. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, this is tape too. Oh.
No, wait, Mom, look. There's a side which is open.
Oh. Oh.
Keep it open.
Oh, we can paint ornaments. Okay, don't pop them off because then they'll break. We're going to paint ornaments later, guys. Very cute. Very cool. Thank you, Nickelodeon.
Thank you.
Woohoo! We'll be having fun.